Is Agoda legit for online hotel booking? Agodacom review. Is Agoda legit for online hotel booking? Agodacom review. If you're planning a trip, Agodacom often appears as a top choice for hotel bookings. But can you rely on it, or is it a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by thinking that all online travel sites are risky. The surprising truth is that Agoda is a legitimate online travel agency, operating since 2005 and offering bookings for hotels, resorts, flights and more worldwide. They partner with thousands of verified properties, ensuring that what you book exists and meets your expectations. You won't believe what happens next. Agoda often offers competitive prices and member discounts, plus easy cancellation policies for many properties. Users report secure payment processing, reliable customer support, and accurate listings. However, always double-check hotel reviews and cancellation terms, as policies may vary by property. To book safely, compare prices, read customer reviews, and confirm your reservation directly with the hotel after booking. Using a credit card adds an extra layer of protection against unexpected issues. In conclusion, Agodacom is a trusted platform for online hotel booking. While it's always smart to research properties and read policies, Agoda's legitimacy, wide selection, and secure payment system make it a reliable choice for travelers seeking convenient bookings.